Yeah, good morning everyone. Dimitri here from uPVC.com.au. Today is day 12, the 8th of December 2023. Doing the last of the front of the windows. This one here, which we've done yesterday with that one. So today's this one. As you can see with the last front of house window, probably the worst one. So here is the difference in expanding joint filler material. This is the Bastion brand. This is the Sika brand. The Sika brand feels a bit more dense, to be honest. The Bastion's a bit softer. That's the only difference I can tell so far. Unless you guys know the difference, yeah, let me know, comment down below. It'd be good to see your experience with it. So yeah, how about this one hand recipe saw cut with a Milwaukee M28? I must say pretty good. Is it the user or the tool? So yeah, practice makes perfect. That pretty much popped out like a mushroom. Made specific cuts in there, inside, from the middle and outside. And then one cut here, pull the bottom piece out. And this one just wiggled out just like that. Simple. Oh, lovely. New seal done. The foam again. Top arch staying. Retrofitting within. Frame next. So here we have the aperture prepared. Brackets bent back. Arch fixed up to the lintel. Timber pieces cut out for the seal to go on. Beautiful. Frame ready for fixing. And here is the foamed, cleaned and glazed finished product without the trim on the side so far. Very shiny. A person told me with European low E you could see a small distortion in glass. Well, I just noticed it today as well. Where are we? See if I can. Here we are. See that? See the power lines moving? Look at that. That's a way to tell you have low E. Besides putting a torch through it and seeing the purple light. So if it's wavy like that, yeah, definitely low E as well. Until next time, tomorrow will be trim. Yeah, so there she is, fixed and cleaned. where they held off, thank God.